In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Moz, a powerful SEO toolset that'll help you boost your rankings and increase your search engine visibility. Let's begin by navigating to the Moz Pro homepage. You can access this suite of tools by visiting the Moz website and selecting the Moz Pro option. Once there, you'll be greeted with a complete set of SEO tools designed to enhance your site's performance and visibility on search engines. After familiarizing yourself with the Moz Pro interface, the first feature we will dive into is the campaigns section. By clicking on campaigns, you can effectively manage all your marketing efforts in one centralized location. This feature allows you to track your site's performance over time, providing you with insights into what strategies are working and where improvements are needed. Take advantage of the data presented to refine your SEO tactics and keep your site on the path to success. Next, let's move on to the domain overview. Clicking on Domain Overview gives you a snapshot of key SEO metrics for any given site. This is an invaluable resource for assessing a site's online authority, performance, and overall health. Whether you're analyzing your own site or evaluating potential partners, the Domain Overview provides the data you need to make informed decisions. From there, explore the Competitive Research section by clicking on Competitive Research and selecting True Competitor. This tool is designed to instantly identify your true competitors, those websites vying for the same search engine results pages as your own. Understanding who your competitors are and what they are doing is crucial for developing a successful SEO strategy. With this insight, you can learn from their successes and uncover opportunities for improvement. Another essential facet of Moz Pro is the Keyword Research tool. By selecting Keyword Research and diving into the Keyword Explorer, you can discover and prioritize the best keywords for your content. This tool is tailor-made to help you identify the words and phrases your target audience is searching for, allowing you to craft content that speaks directly to their needs. Use the insights from Keyword Explorer to create a content strategy that attracts and engages your audience while improving your search engine rankings. This comprehensive guide to Moz is designed to give you a clear understanding of how to harness the platform's capabilities for the success of your site. Remember, data-driven decisions are key, and Moz provides you with the tools to make those decisions confidently. Take your time exploring each feature, learning how they work, and integrating them into your SEO strategy. By doing so, you'll be in a stronger position to enhance your site's performance and achieve higher search engine visibility. Stay tuned for more tutorials, and thank you for joining me today as we delved into the world of Moz.